Good morning guys. Today's topic in engineering graphics, projection of straight lines. The concept that is related to from the projection of points and then projection of straight lines. Imagine this is a straight line which has a 2 points, 2 ends, one end, second end. Here we have a different cases. One is parallel to both the planes and perpendicular to one of the plane, inclined to one of plane and inclined to both the planes. So coming to the concept of projection of points that we have to remember, here it is. The xy is an axis, reference axis. Here it is a vertical plane, it is a horizontal plane, the front view and the top view. So here it is above horizontal plane and behind vertical plane. Whenever the concept comes above horizontal plane, behind vertical plane, below horizontal plane, in front of vertical, that we have to use this concept. As the same in a projection lines also, that we have to use this concept. As I told you that projection of straight lines parallel to both the planes. Imagine the floor is a horizontal plane and the wall is a vertical plane at the back side. Is a vertical plane and this is a line which is parallel to both the planes, Here we have to find one condition, that is parallel or perpendicular, and the shape in front view and top view, and the position, whether they are given above horizontal plane or in front of vertical plane. These are the points that we have to remember. Let me do some problems on this concept, parallel to both the planes. Imagine the floor is a horizontal plane and the wall is a vertical plane. While I am placing this line parallel to both the planes, there we have a front view and top view. The front view is a line, horizontal straight line, and the top view is also a horizontal straight line. These are the shapes we have to draw on this vertical plane and horizontal planes. Let me do one problem, and here it is a problem. A 50 mm long line AB, a 50 mm long line AB is parallel to both horizontal and vertical planes, and the line is 25 mm in front of vertical plane. That means here it is a vertical plane, it is a distance of 25 mm in front of vertical plane and 60 mm above the horizontal plane. From the floor it is 60 mm. That means from the horizontal plane it is 60 mm. So this is the position of a line. Here that we have to draw the shape of the line and position of the line on a drawing sheet and a paper. Let me draw. The first we have to start with x, y, line, and here it is a x, y line. So the first thing that we have to consider here it is 25 in front of vertical plane and 60 above horizontal plane. So I am taking here it is 60 above horizontal plane, because here the dimension line, it must be very light. So I am taking, here it is 60 above horizontal. The dimension line must be very light, because our main diagram is to take a line, projection of lines. Here they will ask you that to draw the projection of straight lines. So here this is 60 above. At here I have to stop, because the main dimension line and the main diagram, there is must be a gap of 1.2 centimeters. So the total length of the line, because the shape in a front view, the shape of this line is a horizontal line. So the length is 50. Here the length is 50, and this is A dash and this is B dash. And here is the dimension line for this line, this must be very light. So, and this, the length of this line is 50. Okay, and this is the front view, and the projection of this front view is nothing but a top view, and the top view also that I am taking that has a horizontal line, and which is 25 in front of vertical plane. So, that I am taking here it is this is 25 and that is 25. Projection of this front view is nothing but a top view. These also must be very light. So, that I am taking here. And this is the top view, and this is A and this is B. So, like this we have to draw, this is a line which is A dash B dash is the front view and AB is the top view. These are the two lines which we are highlighting in this concept. And the same concept that we can take in a different types, that is 25 mm they are giving here, it is 25 mm in front of vertical plane. In some cases they will give on vertical plane, not 25 nothing, only on vertical plane. As same, in some cases they are giving a distance 60 mm above horizontal plane. So, in some cases they will give on horizontal plane. So, in that case that we have to draw these lines on the reference line, on the reference. That means the 60 becomes a 0 and 25 also becomes 0. So, in that case that we have to draw these same lines on the reference line. This is the concept of parallel to both the planes. And the next problem come to the, that is related to line perpendicular to one of the plane. Here the one of the plane that we can consider whether it is a horizontal or it is a perpendicular vertical planes. So, let me draw this, the concept. On the same line, on the same reference line that I am taking with some distance, no problem. So, a line, let me read the 60 mm long line AB, its end. That means we have a line which has a two ends A, B, right, and which is perpendicular to, if you read this here carefully, and the perpendicular to horizontal plane. That means the floor, it is perpendicular, that means 90 degrees, which is perpendicular to horizontal plane, simultaneously it is parallel to vertical plane. So, this is the concept that we are giving. End A at a distance of 20 above horizontal. This is the line which is 20 above horizontal plane. So, the distance from the ground or from the floor is 20 and it is perpendicular to horizontal and 40 in front of vertical plane. So, 40 from the vertical plane. From the vertical plane is 40. So, that I am trying to draw here is first condition perpendicular and the next one shape. What the shape in a front view is a vertical line. What the shape in a top view? This is the main important. That is, while we are looking from the top view, the line becomes a point. That we are able to see a point which is at the top view. And we can able to see only one point, not this point. Okay? So, the top view is a point and the front view is a vertical line. So, that I am taking here it is the first thing where we have to start. Here end A is at a distance of 20 above horizontal plane. So, this is 20, from here it will start. The line will start from at a distance from the floor. There is a distance. So, we have to start from a distance. So, and this is a dimension line and the length is 60 mm. The length is 60. So, this is the line which we have to highlight in a front view, because the first thing, the condition perpendicular, and the next thing was the shape of this line vertical, and this is A dash and this is B dash, and that is all about front view. What about the top view? That we can able to see this top view, the distance from the vertical line. The distance from the vertical line is 40. So, the top view that we have to draw at here. So, the top is the 40 mm and this is 40 mm. Here it is a projection line, it must be very light. The projection line, it must be very light, guys. So, here it is the point which we are seeing from the top view. So, this is B comma A, because the point B is at top, the point B is at top. So, B first, next one is A. So, this is a point B. This is a concept about a line is perpendicular to horizontal plane. The same concept that we can relate to perpendicular to vertical plane also. That means, there is the same diagram with the same dimensions. If we consider that, the diagram will get in a reverse way, because if you see the concept, the same line which is perpendicular to vertical plane, perpendicular to vertical plane. So, this is a line which is perpendicular to vertical plane, and the shape in a front view is a point, and the shape in a top view is a line, vertical line. So, the same dimension if we consider, that the diagram will get in a reverse way. So, that is one of the case. If you want to change the dimensions, then we can make it another problem. Thank you.